Hi my friends, my name is Mr. Steve and today is our very first Activity Centers program. We have 3 different activities that I'm going to show you, and to do these activities you can probably find a lot of these things around your house, but we also have bags already made up at the library with these supplies, so they are here on a first come first served basis. So you can stop by the library and see if we have these. In order to make these activities that we're going to do today, you need 10 plastic cups, 10 craft sticks or popsicle sticks. You'll need a paper plate and some different colored tissue paper and some green construction paper. We're going to start off with the cups. Now with 10 plastic cups, there are lots of fun things that you could do. For example, maybe you could make eyes, hello, hello, or antennas, take me to your leader. But I wanted to do some stacking with you. There are a couple different stacking activities that I'm going to show you. Maybe you'll have other things that you want to do with it. The first stacking activity is making a pyramid. In order to make a pyramid, you're going to have to stack them on top of each other, very close to this. Oops. And then you're going to make a pyramid. So that's one way to stack them. A second way, if that's too easy for you, a second way to stack them is to make a tower like this. So by putting one on top of the other, like this. And see if you can get all 10 to stack on top of each other. It's not easy. You see, as they're getting higher, it's starting to wobble more. But it is pretty fun. And maybe you might have other ways you could stack these cups too. And see if you can do that. Next, we're going to bring out the popsicle sticks and show you a totally different kind of activity that you can do with those. One of the things you could do with the craft sticks is you could try to make shapes. You could start off with making a shape that has 3 sides, a triangle. Then you could make a shape that has 4 sides, like a square. Remember, squares have 4 equal sides. So that would be another way you could do a square with 4 equal sides, or you could make a rectangle. So in order to make a rectangle, you still have 4 sides, but they're not all the same. So you can make a rectangle that way, if you would like. And then you can try to keep on making shapes. Maybe you can make shapes that have 5 sides, and then 6 sides, 7 sides, 8 sides. You could make stars, make all kinds of different shapes. You could also see how many different letters you could make with your popsicle sticks. So you could try to make the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, all the way to the end, and see how many of those you can make. For the last activity, it's actually a craft. And it's a good craft for the springtime because we're going to be making snails. So in order to make that, you'll need that tissue paper, the different colored tissue paper, some shapes that would be used for the snail's body, and this paper plate is for the snail's shell. So you'll need glue sticks too, and maybe a crayon. I'm going to show you what a finished one looks like. It looks just like that. That's how I made mine. I ended up tearing the different tissue paper to make this. You could do that too, or you could do it any way you want to. So those are the 3 different activities for today's activity centers. We had a snail craft, we had making towers and pyramids with plastic cups, and we had making shapes and letters using 10 different craft sticks. I hope you have a lot of fun, and we'll see you next time. Bye.